Today we'll be discussing email marketing, and more specifically personalized email marketing, and how you can personalize your email sequences for every lead that you receive. To do this, we will use Zapier, where we can actually integrate our Promptmate workflow, Promptmate template, which allows you to personalize on a level that you cannot personalize with ChatGPT or just using another AI model or AI system, because Promptmate has the ability to maintain consistency thanks to data extenders, right? And why this is actually even better is because you just use your website URL of your product, your services, or your e-commerce shop to personalize the emails. And then another input that you'll have to give is a few fields about the lead that you're receiving. So for this video, we will use as an example 3 data fields that can collect from their users. For example, if you are in B2B, you might be collecting company expertise and the goals they want to achieve, which is why they are signing up to your product, right? Then you use your company URL, and here you also add your own goal. Why are you trying to send these emails? What are you trying to achieve with when you send these emails, right? So for this example, we'll make it very simple. We'll just use Promptmate as company. It can be, I don't know, this one right here. Their expertise is SEO. Their goals to achieve, they want analysis and SaaS product goal, converting free signups to paid. And you can click save and add prompts. I will not go through all the prompts. You will obviously have them in the template, which is this one. I'll publish this after this video. You'll find the link in the description below this video. I'll show you then the emails later so you understand better what we are actually creating. Let's just for a moment go on Zapier to show you how this is done. The way we do it is with these 8 steps. The first one is very simple. It will get the lead. We're getting it on Slack, but again, this can be a Google Sheet. You can change if you want. You can put Google Sheet or whatever you're getting your emails, right? Let's say MailChimp. So we get the trigger event is new message sent, right? Which is posted to a specific channel, and it basically will pull the message. On a second step, we're using Formatter by Zapier, which takes the message that we are receiving and uses it to format it and extract data, right? For example, we'll get the email, the company, expertise, and achieve goals, which are the 4 fields we need, because we need the email address to then create the draft on Gmail, right? Where we will be, let's say, sending the emails. So it will do that because this data then will go to Promptmate, right? Some of them, not the email. We don't need the email at this stage, but we need these other 3 fields, which is the company, the expertise, and the goal, right? So these data will go as an input to our Promptmate template, and it will run a Promptmate app on that template, which will generate the email. So once Promptmate has created these emails, then we will move forward with Gmail, and on Gmail, we will start creating drafts. So it will create the first draft. Then in the next step, we will delay a few days by using delay for as an event, delay by Zapier, then delay for as an event, and then time delay 2 days, right? So it will wait 2 days before sending the next email. And then on the 6th step of this workflow on Zapier, it will create a second email as a draft, and then it will again delay for more time, right? We'll do this for 7 days. And then it will just create, let's say, final email for this workflow. You can do as many as you want, depending on your email funnel strategy, right? Now I'll show you what they will look like. So for example, we have a few examples here. As you can see, for example, here you really can see the personalization, because here it says your market research, because it knows that this user is interested in market research, right? So it says, I noticed your expertise in market research and your goal to experiment, right? So the user in this case added goal, experiment. Here are some steps, and it shows what Promptmate templates can do for him specifically. So competitor analysis template, social listening template, the bulk processing feature, etc. For another user, so in this case, it mentions the company's name, their goal, which is SEO, elevate their company's SEO with AI, with Promptmate, and it says what Promptmate can do for their SEO strategies, right? So choose your AI system, explore templates, build multi-step workflows, etc. So we have a few more. This is the second email for that user, which you can tell because it takes for granted that the user already received the first email and used Promptmate already. It says, I hope you're finding Promptmate useful. To help you align with your company's goals and leverage your expertise, here are a few steps. And again, it tells what it can do. It does this for every user. Anytime we want to send some, besides our other email marketing campaigns, this is something to reach users on a more personalized level, and you can too. This is a great way to go and automate this process on a next level, because a lot of people are trying with ChatGPT, but ChatGPT ChatGPT, especially with Zapier, has its own limits. Even custom GPTs, it's not the same as actually taking the data from the website. Even if you give your website as an instruction, it may hallucinate. But in this case, these multi-steps that you do on Promptmate are very tested. That's why you can click save and test many times to see that you get the same result many times before going live with this automation. So you know these work. That's something you cannot just do with AI models. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.